Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to reset an Epson L4260 printer. But before we begin, I'd like to invite you to turn on notifications, subscribe, and you can also become a member of the channel. Now, let's get started. All right everyone, many of us have experienced the issue where our printer gets blocked and won't let us print. On the front panel, a message appears saying that the printer's ink pad needs servicing. To fix this, we're going to do the following. First step, download the reset tool. I'll leave the download link in the video description. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to the download page. There, you need to select the printer model, in this case, the L4260. Click on it and the download program will open. Then click on the black arrow over the gray background to download. In some cases, you'll see a green button that says download. You should click that as well. Once the file is downloaded, it will appear as a compressed file. Open it using the program WinRAR. If you don't have it, I'll also leave a link in the description so you can install it. Now right-click on the downloaded file. Select Open with WinRAR. Then in the window that appears, choose the option Extract to. Select the folder where you want to save the files. In this case, we'll leave it in the Downloads folder. Once extracted, you'll have a folder with the program needed to reset the printer. Open the folder and run the file called addpro.exe. Very important. Right-click and run it as administrator. A window will open. Click on the Select button. Leave the default option, Auto Selection, and click OK. If you have more printers connected, you'll need to manually select the Epson L4260, then click OK. Now select Particular Adjustment Mode, then choose the option Waste Ink Pad Counter, click OK. In the next window, check the two boxes on the left, Main Pad Counter and Platen Pad Counter, then click Check. This will show that your printer has reached the end of its service life. To reset it, check both options again, Main Pad Counter and Platen Pad Counter. But this time, instead of clicking Check, click Initialize, then click Acceptar. A message will appear saying, please turn off the printer. You need to turn off the printer. Once it's off, click Acceptar. Then click Acceptar again in the next window. Now turn the printer back on. You'll see that it's working again. To verify, go back to the Waste Ink Pad Counter window. Check both options and click Check. You'll see that the values are now at 0, like factory settings. As you can see, the process is very simple. I hope this helped you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.